That looks like a woodpecker. Okay, now she's helping. Now she's helping the couch.
Oh God! Now we're humming.
Yes. Wait, we were walking down the hall, right? Me and Danny, and we were like walking down the hall, slapping. So we were like this. It was so funny. These two guys were like walking, and they went, "Hey." We were like, "No."
She got to pee. Hopefully. Okay, as she gets humped. Well, let's follow her to the bathroom. Let's follow her to the bathroom.
Not allowed to lock it. Is that turned? Well, you might as well hurry up and go, or I'm gonna barge in there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! What? Looked like she was peeing like a guy.
Hurry up!
Did you see her penis?
Hurry up!
I see a butt.